Look at this river. The water is so crystal clear, isn't it? What about this? Well, it's very dirty. There is a lot of garbage in this river, isn't it? Now, if I ask you to choose one river from which you need to drink water, which river will you choose? Well, you will definitely choose this one because this has clean water, while this river has very dirty water. Now, why does this river have such dirty water? That's because people perform many different activities in such rivers. For example, you can see the person is washing his clothes directly in the river. Also, people dispose of all the dirty water into the river. As a result, water of such natural bodies is very dirty, and it's so dirty that you cannot even think of drinking it. Now, apart from washing, there are so many different types of activities which we perform in the river. For example, people dispose of all their garbage in natural water bodies, and as a result, the water body becomes polluted or dirty. So, when we say water body becomes polluted, what exactly is pollution? Well, pollution is making something dirty, unfit, and unhealthy for use by adding poisonous or harmful materials. So, when you add such poisonous and harmful materials to water bodies, then we say that you are creating water pollution. Now, the river is not always so dirty. Well, at the source, that is, from where the river starts, the river is very clean. The water is very, very clean. See, this is the source of river Ganges. And at the source, as you can see, the water is crystal clear because this is the start of the river. But as the same river travels through our cities, it becomes very dirty because we add all different types of garbage in this river itself. Also, we perform many other activities which add impurities to the river. As you can see, right from throwing garbage to washing clothes, everything is being done in the natural source of water, which is very dangerous because it is polluting the river. And not only normal human activities, industries add harmful chemicals into the river, making it poisonous for not only us human beings but also different animals and fishes which live in that river. So, can you tell me, industries pollute water? Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Industries pollute water by adding harmful chemicals in natural water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. Now, there are so many places in our country where people directly depend on the natural source of water. They do not have water supplies like us. So, they directly go to the natural water body, fetch water from it, and drink it and use it for other activities. Now, if the water body itself is polluted, then what will happen? Well, these people have no choice. They will have to drink that polluted water, and drinking polluted water makes people sick. And once they drink such water, they fall sick and have to face so many hardships, all because people in the cities are polluting the water. And what is the other option for them? Well, if they don't want to drink that water, then they will have to travel to far off places to fetch small amount of clean water. So you see, we in the cities are polluting the rivers so much that people around the world have to face hardships because of that. So what do we understand from this? We understand that garbage should not be dumped in water. Well, there are separate places for disposal of garbage, and we should always throw garbage in specified places instead of natural water bodies, because if we throw garbage in water bodies, we are polluting the water. So we are creating water pollution, which is bad for everybody. So which is right and which is wrong in this? Definitely this is wrong. If you need to wash your clothes, then you should fetch water from the river and wash your clothes elsewhere, not directly into the river. Because if you wash the clothes directly into the river, then you add all those harmful chemicals in the river itself, which is very bad. You are polluting the river. Now, as you can see, all these activities are responsible for water pollution, and we should always avoid all these different activities. The natural sources of water are very precious for all of us. So throwing garbage in it, or washing clothes and utensils, or adding harmful chemicals, everything is very bad and very dangerous. And just by avoiding these things, we can actually keep our rivers very clean. And it is not very difficult, because as you can see, this river is so crystal clear, and it is in our country India itself. It's in the state of Meghalaya. So if the people of Meghalaya can maintain their river so clean, why can't we? Well, we just need to avoid polluting the water, and we can have such crystal clear rivers in our cities too. So it is very important that we act responsibly and avoid water pollution. So you see, this river is so clean that you can actually see the bed of the river. That's because people of Meghalaya have acted responsibly and not polluted the river, and we should do the same. So water is valuable for all of us. There is a very small amount of usable water on our planet, and we should act responsibly. And if we do not pollute the natural water bodies, then it will be available for us as well as different animals and plants which are there on planet Earth. So we should avoid polluting the water at any cost.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.